Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Dear viewers, in front of me, Baseus original cable on 100 watts. I think you know about this cable. It's a very great cable. It has a good price, and the quality of the cable is really good. But the price sometimes is too good that you can wondering, does this cable can charge your iPhone 15 or the newest version if you're watching this video in the future. So let's check it. So firstly, I will connect it to my charger. So I will remind you that on iPhones we have power delivery standard, and iPhones supporting 25 watts of charging speed. And now let's check how much this cable can provide certificate. As you can see here, we have the power delivery certificate. Power delivery 3.0, 65 watts. So yes, it will charge not even iPhones, but it will charge even the MacBooks, because here we have power delivery 3.0. Here we have Apple certificate for older iPhones like iPhone 6, because of the iPhone 8 series we have power delivery, not the Apple certificate. That's cool. So we can use this cable for charge our iPhone without any doubts. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.